Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 19 January 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 21. Name of the chapter, A New Dawn. So let's do little recapitulation, student, what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, we are doing the book exercises of chapter number 21 and question number A. Take the correct answer we have already completed in our book. So at the time when you are watching the video, so all of you take out your book and complete your book exercises in the book. Now today we will start with question number B, fill in the blanks. So the first question is, the dash government makes law and governs the whole nation. See, as in this chapter we discuss, there are three form of governments in our country. One is in the central, other is in the state and local self government, that is in the villages, that is known as gram panchayat. So the government which make laws and governs the whole nation, that government is known as central. So note down the answer, central. Okay. Now next, the chief minister is helped by dash. So chief minister is in the state. In all the state we having a state legislative assembly. ठीक है, and the chief minister is the head of the government. Head of the state is governor, but the government which rule or which get maximum number of seat and make their government in that state, so head of that government is known as chief minister, and the chief minister of the state is held by the council of ministers. Third question, member of a legislative assembly are called dash. So in a parliament the members are known as MP, full form is member of parliament, and in state legislative assemblies these are known as MLAs. Is it clear? Member of legislative assembly. So member of legislative assembly are called MLAs. Note down the answer from the board. Rajya Sabha is headed by the, in a parliament, or we are talking about the central government. So in that there are two houses. One is Lok Sabha and other is known as Rajya Sabha. So the head of the Lok Sabha is the prime minister of our country, and Rajya Sabha is headed by the vice president. vice president. Next question is election for Lok Sabha are held after dash year. So after how many year election of the Lok Sabha? That is 5 years. So answer is 5. After 5 years we having election for the Lok Sabha. You can take a screenshot also. Next is C. Name the following. Question number C. Name the following. First is the present president of India. So present means at this time who is the president of our country, that is Ramnath Kovind. Question number 2, present prime minister of our country. So Mr. Narendra Modi, present prime minister of our country. So note down Narendra Modi. Next, the present vice president of India. So M. Venkat Naidu is the vice president of India, and vice president is the head of, as I explained you in the earlier question also, or at the time when I am explaining the chapter also, vice president is the head of Rajya Sabha. M. Venkat Naidu. M. Venkat Naidu. Turn to the next page, that is page number 124. The Speaker of India, Om Birla. Okay, the Speaker of India, Om Birla. Next, Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. So Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is Anil Baichal. Now, after completing the book exercises of the chapter, student, we will start with the short question answer of the chapter. So question number D, short answer, question. Question is, what does dual government consist of? So you note down the question from the book. I am writing the answer for you. What does a dual government consist of? A dual government consists of a central government, which is in the center, and the state governments. As we know that there are 28 states in our country, so every state have government. So dual government consists of central and state government. Consist of the central government and state government. Okay, a central government consists of a dual government consists of the central government and state government. Okay, now question number 2. Note down the question from the book. So who conduct the election in India? So we have already discussed this thing when I am explaining you the chapter. We have already discussed election commission conduct election in India. So election commission conducts the election in India. Okay, note down both the answer from the board. You can take a screenshot also. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Name the two houses of parliament. So as we know that in the center government there are two houses of a parliament, and these two houses of parliaments are known as Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The party which form the government, the head of that government is known as Prime Minister, and the head of the Rajya Sabha, that is known as the Vice President of our country. Okay. The two houses of parliament are Lok Sabha Lok Sabha is also known as lower house. Second is known as Rajya Sabha. And Rajya Sabha is also known as upper house. Okay. Rajya Sabha is known as the upper house because the ministers are elected by the state legislative assemblies. There is a voting in that, and from that voting the ministers are elected and they come in Rajya Sabha. Okay, so this is the, so in this indirectly, जैसे लोकसभा में था, the members which are in the that Lok Sabha, they are directly elected in the by the people, votes of the people. ठीक है, उसमें जो भी members जो elected होके आ रहे थे, so they are elected by the voting method, means the people of that area give the vote at the time of election whose age is 18 or above 18. Okay, now after completing the short question answer, student, the first thing we will discuss, how is a central government formed. Okay, so let's discuss how central government is formed. So as we know that how is a central government formed. So student, as we know that in our country there is a multi-party system. Okay, so all these parties put up their candidate for election, or the party that get maximum number of seat, okay, form the government, and the leader of that party is appointed as the prime minister of our country. Is it clear? So at that, and method is how the members are elected by voting. Any citizen of India whose age is 18 or above 18, they can give the vote at the time of election. Okay, and after that the member of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and state legislative assemblies, they elected the president. Okay, because as we know that president is the head of the country, as we know that president is the head of the country. And next question arises, because in central we have two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha also. So the members of Rajya Sabha, how they are elected, they are elected by the member of state legislative assemblies in all the state. I am talking about all the state, means in present time there are 28 states in our country. So the member of Rajya Sabha are elected by the member of state legislative assembly, and the central government comprises the president, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So this is how the government was formed. Okay, this is how the central government was formed. And as we know that central government, it looked after the big matters of the country. Okay, so central government, and the role of the central government is that it helped the all the state governments. ठीक है, जितनी भी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स हैं उनके हेल्प करने का वर्कआउट करती हैं. और ये स्टेट गवर्नमेंट जितनी भी हैं, अपने स्टेट में मैंने डिस्कस बताया था, लोगों के वेलफेयर के लिए दे वर्कआउट फॉर वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.